welcome back to our channel. I'm Alicia.
And I'm Sophia. Today we're going to be doing scratch art. So we have one piece of scratch art paper here, and we have the second here. However, the scratch art only comes with one wooden pencil, but me, Sophia, will be using a regular pencil, but it won't do anything.
Okay, it'll work the same.
Yeah.
So let's get started with our scratch art. Alright, so on mine, I think I have some sort of idea. What about you, Sophia?
On mine, I think I'm going to do a bunny because Easter just passed and I love bunnies.
Yeah. Alright, let's get started with our drawings. So I'm going to draw like a little flower. I don't quite know what type it is, but that's really it.
And I'm going to draw, oh my, this does not even look like the bunny. So I'm going to change that up to a dog.
Now I'm drawing a little flower inspired from something I saw in our dining room.
Now I'm going to write my name.
Sophia. And I'm going to write mine, Alicia. But this is going to be more bubbly, like Alicia and Sophia's bubble.
Now I'm going to draw a rabbit. Oh, that looks so much better.
So I'm going to draw a skirt of a girl who's grooving. Her hands look really like pancakes.
Yeah.
And this is a teapot.
Yeah. That's really hot.
And I drew some sort of design, which didn't turn out too good.
And I'm going to draw a ballerina. Yeah, that's not good.
And I'm going to draw a... that's not a giant. A lion. It was supposed to be a lion.
Now I'm drawing a Lego girl. That looks realistic.
Not really.
No, not a chance.
So now I'm drawing a basketball hoop.
I'm going to draw some scissors.
And now I'm going to draw a little island with a palm tree, and I'm going to add the details by adding the lines. And I'm going to kind of make it curved because like in the Bahamas or if you go somewhere, it's going to be kind of windy. So then I'm going to draw the leaves of our palm tree.
And that looks really good.
Thank you. So, and then behind the palm tree, like passing on the water, is maybe not a cruise ship, but like a boat.
Yeah, like somebody goes boat to go fishing. Goes on a boat to go fishing.
Not fishing, maybe like they went out for the day at sea. I don't know. I know I've gone out for the day at sea. Alright, so now we're going to draw a mask. And I'm going to say, stay safe and have fun. Because you really got to do that.
Yeah.
And I'm going to just decorate them.
All right, we have finished our scratch art papers, not papers. I think mine turned out pretty good except for my lion. He looks really weird. And I love Sophia's. It's filled with so many fun and cool stuff that you can do in the summer or spring. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye!